Have you ever wondered how a simple compass can guide travelers and navigators across the globe? This video will reveal the science behind this essential tool. We begin by introducing the compass, a device that has been critical for navigation for centuries. At its heart, a compass is a tool designed to show you the direction of the Earth's magnetic North Pole, helping you orient yourself wherever you are. For hundreds of years, the compass has been instrumental in exploration, trade, and even warfare, making long-distance travel possible. Now let's look closely at the core components that allow a compass to function. The most important part is the needle, which is a small magnet itself. It's often painted red on one end to indicate the, quote, north-seeking pole. The needle is mounted on a low-friction pivot within a housing, allowing it to spin freely and respond to magnetic forces with minimal resistance. To understand how the needle works, we must first appreciate the Earth's incredible magnetic properties. Deep within our planet, the movement of molten iron in the core generates a powerful magnetic field, essentially making Earth one giant magnet. The Earth has a magnetic North Pole, which is the point where the magnetic field lines converge, and it's important to know that this is not the same as the geographic North Pole. So how does the magnetized needle interact with the Earth's magnetic field? Just like iron filings align along a bar magnet, the compass needle naturally aligns itself with the invisible magnetic field lines that flow across the Earth. The north-seeking pole of your needle, the one often colored red, is actually the magnetic south pole of the needle, which is attracted to the Earth's magnetic North Pole, completing the system. A critical concept for accurate navigation is magnetic declination. Magnetic declination is the angle of difference between true north, which is the fixed geographic pole, and magnetic north, the pole the compass actually points to. This difference is vital because without adjusting for declination, particularly over long distances, navigators can be led significantly off course. To wrap up, let's quickly review the elegant simplicity of the compass. A compass works by utilizing a small, free-spinning magnet that responds to the invisible but powerful magnetic field generated by the Earth's core, always pointing towards magnetic north. While modern technologies like GPS offer digital precision, the humble magnetic compass remains a reliable, battery-free backup and a testament to clever scientific application.